All right, Physics 2, we're going to try to do another one of these problems. This is from Relativity problems number 1. This is problem number 4. On this worksheet, problems 4 through 6 are kind of the opposite of problems 1 through 3. In problems 1 through 3, you have the term square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared, and you're trying to evaluate it when you know what v is. In problems 4 through 6, you know what the term square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared is equal to, and you're trying to determine what value of v makes it so. So let's start again with this. We have the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared is equal to 0.990. So basically we need to undo the square root, do a bunch of algebra, get the v by itself on one side, and then figure out what v is equal to. So the first thing you want to do is square both sides. When you square both sides, that's going to kill the square root on the left side. You'll have 1 minus v squared over c squared. And ask your calculator on the right side, if you square 0.990, what you end up with is 0.9801. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add v squared over c squared to both sides. When I do that, that's going to leave me just a 1 on the left side. That's equal to 0.9801 on the right side. Plus, I've now added v squared over c squared to both sides. Then I'm going to subtract the 0.9801 from both sides. So on the left, that's going to give me 1 minus 0.9801. And on the right side, all I have left now is v squared over c squared. So ask your calculator, 1 minus 0.9801 is equal to, here on the left we have 0.0199, and this is equal to v squared over c squared. So you can multiply both sides by c squared, and that'll get v squared by itself. So now on the left I have 0.0199. c squared is equal to v squared. Now, a common mistake at this point is to think that somehow this is your final answer. It is not your final answer, because we're not looking for v squared, we're looking for v. So take that box away. That box no good. So what you want to do now is take the square root of both sides, ask your calculator the square root of 0.0199, and it's going to tell you 0.14106,736, and that 0.0199 was times c squared. When you take the square root of that, you end up just with c. And this is equal to, if you take the square root of v squared on the right side, you end up with just v. So here's your final answer, 0.14106,736c. So unlike last year, when velocities always came in units of meters per second, we could plug in the value of c there and get it in meters per second. But this year, lots of times when we're dealing with velocities at relativistic speeds, you just express your velocity as some number times c. Again, c is the speed of light. So hopefully that's helpful to you.